आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kannaujiya and welcome to my channel The Develop Mind. Since this is my very first video on this channel, so in today's video I will give you my introduction and I will talk about my future videos. You must be wondering what's so special about this guy and why we should watch his videos. So my friend, just give me 5 minutes out of the priceless time of your life, then you decide whether you should watch my videos in future or not. So I humbly request, please watch the video till the end, and I promise, after watching this video, you will be more excited to watch my next video. And you will not only watch my next video, but also subscribe my channel and share it with others. So let's get started. As I said, my name is Arvind Kannaujiya. Basically, I am from northern part of India, state called Uttar Pradesh, and currently I have been living in Mumbai for over 10 years. Although I visit at my native place once a year, maximum for a week or couple of weeks. About my qualification, I did my schooling from 1st standard to 12th standard by Hindi medium from my native place. Then I graduated from Mumbai University. I have done BSc in mathematics. Studied 12 years in Hindi medium, then got everything in English in graduation. It was quite tough for me to understand the syllabus because I never thought I would pass my exam because of English problem. Actually, I only knew about English reading, did not understand and forget about speaking, and also I did not know proper Hindi as well. But I did my best to learn English as well as Hindi along with my studies. My dream was to roam all around the world, so I wanted to join Merchant Navy. And I started preparing as well along with my current study process. But one day something happened which devastated me and my family. My older brother, who was around 30 years old, he met with a train accident and passed away. I was pursuing my second year of graduation. It affected my father mentally a lot. My father had a laundry shop. My brother and father were working there together. After this incident, I started helping my father along with my studies. I successfully completed my graduation, and one day I told my father about my dream that was joining Merchant Navy. My father did not want me to join Merchant Navy because he didn't want to send me away from his eyesight. But seeing my that much interest in it, he reluctantly allowed me to join Navy. I got an admission in a Navy institute. I was studying so hard and nurturing my dream of working on ship and roaming all around the globe. With all this happiness, I was preparing my last exam in college. Then again something happened which broke me mentally and my life fell apart. I got a call in middle of the night that my father had a massive heart attack, was admitted in the hospital and wanted to see me. Somehow, I managed to the hospital in mid of the night, and when I reached to the hospital, my father was gone. I couldn't see him. Then I took off from the college for a few weeks for my father's funeral. Then after a couple of weeks, I went back to college and completed my exam. I passed my exam with good marks. Now, I had the full responsibility of my family as well as my shop on me, which was the only source of income of my family. First BSc, then Marine Engineering, and where I ended up at a small laundry shop. Currently, I am handling my shop. I work there 10 to 11 hours a day. But I haven't given up on my dream yet, although I have worked so hard on my studies and I would never ever let it go waste. But you know what? Sometimes I get too depressed while working at my shop and think I never dreamed of this. But I believe God must have stored something amazing for me. I just need to keep moving on. Then one day I came up with an idea. Why don't I start my YouTube channel and share my all experience with you guys? Like, I belonged to rural areas, did not know English. How did I improve my English with excellent pronunciation, motivation, importance of communication, career, and of course, about my hobbies. My hobbies are reading storybooks, motivational books, and yes, cooking. I love cooking. Most of my videos will be about learning English, then communication, and of course, merchant navy related videos and so on. So my humble request from all of you guys, please support me by subscribing my channel and share it with others. And I promise I will never ever let you down, and trust me, you will always learn something new from my every single videos. That's all for now. See you in my next video with an amazing topic. Till then, pranam.